Here's day 2 of making $100,000 in a dropshipping store using only organic TikTok videos, no ads. Okay, so for day 2, we're going to go over how to actually pick a product and what product I'm going to choose for this challenge. Like I said in day 1's video, you need to focus on selling a brand, not a product. So Brandon, how do you pick a product? Let me show you. So typically when I'm looking for a product, I don't just sit on AliExpress and look for hours with no direction. My product research is happening 24/7 every single day of the week. If I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, watching TV, anything, if I see a product or an item that I think would be cool and looks cool, then I immediately open up AliExpress and see if I can find something similar. The product needs to be able to hit the market from a different angle than it's been hit before. Uh-oh, running out of time. Part 2 in the comments. Oh, so you're picking a product on AliExpress? Let me show you some good and bad examples, and I'll show you the product that I am picking for the challenge. Okay, so if you're going to be advertising or even just posting on TikTok, you need to have a product that has viral potential. This is something that can appeal to a mass market and has a wow factor. Like these guys, and these guys, and these guys, and these guys. Let me show you why these products were successful. The UFO spinner thing they branded as like your own self boomerang toy. These balls glow in the dark, which is cool, and they stick on your ceiling, which is actually kind of satisfying to watch. This is a swimming suit, but it changes color when it gets wet, so obviously there's a huge wow factor there. This is a push-up board or a way of working out that seems very simple to the eye that nobody's seen before. Now, what if you're still really struggling to find that product and you can only think of something general like a wristwatch? Use this strategy. See, you could make a store selling these like random watches that kind of look like fake Rolexes, but no, why would someone buy that from you? It's pretty generic and has no wow factor at all. Or think outside the box and hit the market from a different angle. You can brand this as a handmade wood watch, like your brand, you hand make wood watches. That's how you hit the market from a different angle. You can use the same generic product, but make it your own, make it different, make it unique, make it a wow factor. Now with that being said, it's been long enough, let me show you my product. Alright, so the product I chose has actually been in the background of these videos this whole time. It's right there. If you know what this is already, good, but if you don't, even better. This is sand art. Inside of this little glass disc is water, bubbles, and sand. If you flip it upside down, it makes a new landscape for your sand. Every single time you flip it is something different, and it can last anywhere from like 15 seconds to 3 minutes long. I think this product's really going to appeal to the relaxation or just like satisfying niche, and it'd be fun to make some time lapses with it. Now make sure you watch for day 2 when I talk about branding, how I'm going to make a brand around this.